24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Action words. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Teaching simple action words is useful because they lay the foundation for other important lessons in the future. Learning objectives. Students should be able to understand the action words, define action verb, list different examples of action verbs. Recall. Engage the whole class in an activity like coloring, reading, or talking, etc. Then ask the students what they are doing. This method is a way of introducing the concept of action words. Explain to them that they are using action words by telling them what they are doing. Introduction. Begin the lesson by playing a game of verbs. Tell the students that they are going to play a game where they will perform an act on the words they say. Some words they might use are jump, sit, walk, sing, clap, draw, etc. Tell the students that the words that they just acted are called action words. Read. Use flashcards to stimulate reading and recognition. Start with pictorial flashcards and then move on to the words. Write different common action words, for example, read, play, drink, etc. on the board. Guide the students to match the action with the word. Recognition. Write different sentences on the board such as I eat an apple and ask the students to tell you about the action word in each sentence and underline the given action word. Review. Select a verb and write it on the board next to the letter it begins with. Demonstrate to the students that how they will be writing a sentence using a verb. For example, D for drink, I drink milk. Writing. Distribute different verbs to the students and they should write sentences for each verb they are assigned. Guide the students to review, edit, and revise their sentences as needed. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.